So back on it again. Remember we tell you about the space here, so kind of modify something, put right here so it sit on properly, so the pump can move. So when it operates, now suck in the air and suck the gas. The hose here damage, so never change that. So this is actually me use piece of gas line to fix the problem here. Also identify this burst, so I rectify it. After that, see it. Don't like this. Yeah, connect back the line them. So should see it properly. And screws all it. So that's basically it. And then after we finish that, connecting the lines and all, it's time to install. Alright, so I use a little electrical tape on this part, since it's just like a breather, so gas no fuel now pass through it, so we can do that. And the hose, see, replace the hose. So the unit ready for go in now.